The bathroom, often a space of rejuvenation and self-care, can be transformed into a stylish sanctuary with the right design choices, and the spotlight today is on the often overlooked bathroom mirror. Beyond its functional role, a thoughtfully selected mirror can serve as a focal point, adding flair and personality to your daily routine. Let's explore a spectrum of bathroom mirror design, ideas that promise both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Frameless sophistication. For those who favor a sleek and modern look, frameless bathroom mirrors are the epitome of simplicity. Their clean lines and unobtrusive design let other elements in the bathroom shine. LED backlit brilliance. Bring a touch of luxury into your bathroom with LED backlit mirrors. These not only offer enhanced visibility for your morning routine, but also introduce a spa-like ambiance, creating a serene atmosphere. Round vanity mirror. Round vanity mirrors are a timeless choice that seamlessly blends into various bathroom styles. Their soft curves add a touch of harmony, making them equally suitable for modern and traditional settings. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist retreat or a lavish haven, these bathroom mirror design ideas offer a myriad of options to suit your taste and enhance the overall aesthetic of your space. Transform your morning routine into a moment of luxury with a mirror that reflects your personal style and elevates the ambiance of your bathroom.
Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.